Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over the CVS must-do deals for this video, and I'm going to be showing you at the end how you can grab 8 products for $6.05 out of pocket. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see some easy freebies and some great beginner-friendly deals that anyone can do next week at CVS. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so when I post new videos, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of the amazing deals every week as well. This video is sponsored by RebateKey, so let me show you real quick again how to use the website. I have been trying to stock up as I showed you guys on my Instagram. My goals for November is to find 5 free Christmas gifts. I'm going to be using RebateKey to do so. So this is exactly how you use the website. It's super easy. Link is below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. What you do is you're getting cash back for products on Amazon up to 100%, which is amazing. So all you have to do is you can either search for the product at the top, you can search per category at the top, or you can just sort by highest discount. That is going to show you all of the freebies first. When you want a product, just click on it. It's either going to say start treasure hunt and then just follow the instructions, or it's going to say buy product. Click that. It's going to take you right over to the website. Typically it's Amazon that the product is on. You're going to buy the product out of pocket, pay for it out of pocket. Then you're going to submit your Amazon order number back onto RebateKey. In 35 days, you will get your cash back. And yes, I always get my cash back. I think I've purchased about 60 products so far on RebateKey and I've never had an issue. Now, if there is a coupon on Amazon, do not use the coupon. You will not be able to get the rebate and use the coupon. That would be double dipping. So you want to make sure that you're getting the rebate because you're already getting up to 100% cash back. So definitely recommend giving it a shot. Excuse me. I use RebateKey all the time, and that is how I'm going to hit my goal of 5 free Christmas products. So now let's pop back into the CVS deals and some updates for the coupons that we're getting this week. Here are a couple updates. My 3-day live couponing workshop, the deadline to join is going to be Sunday. So we only have 3 days left for you guys to join. The first class is going to be Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The second class is Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The third class is Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be teaching you how to coupon, how to read coupons, where to get paper coupons. I'm also teaching you digital coupons. So if you never want to use a paper coupon ever, that's fine. I'm still going to teach you how to use digital coupons, what coupons you can stack, the whole 9 yards. And on day 3, I'm going to teach you how you can make $100 by the holidays, which is going to be amazing. It will be recorded, so if you miss any of the live classes, you can always watch the replay. You can watch the replay as many times as you want. So if you want to join, link is below in the description box. I would love to have you. This morning, when I counted it, I believe we have 65 people who have now signed up. My goal is still to help 100 people. So definitely consider joining so I can help you as well. Learn how to coupon and be able to start saving $200, $300 or more every single month, which is incredible. There's also a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end. I will let you guys know how to enter. And I'm going to be announcing the 2 winners of the giveaway that I did in my CVS haul video as well. So lots of goodies in this video for you guys. The winners of the giveaway in this video are going to be getting a spot in the couponing workshop. So I'm going to be giving away 2 spots to the workshop. So definitely stay tuned if you guys want to enter in the giveaway. Now, if you enter in the giveaway and you've already paid for the workshop, I will refund you your money. So don't worry about that. Okay, coupon inserts. We are getting 2 inserts on Sunday, a save insert and a smart source insert. Link is in the description box if you guys want to order. I typically order from BQ. You can also order from Sunday coupon inserts. My referral codes are below as well, so you can save on your first orders. And the thing I like about BQ is I get my inserts in 2 days, and that's shipping from Pennsylvania to Florida. Now, a lot of people ask, is it worth it to buy coupons when I'm trying to use coupons to save money? And the answer is yes. Say you pay $15 for coupons. On BQ, you're getting a 4-pack. So you're getting 4 of the Save and 4 of the Smart Source. That could be a total of $500 worth of savings. Then you're paying $15 to potentially save $500. I'm going to show you in this video a couple deals that you can do on Tresemme, on Dove, using coupons from those inserts. So in this video alone, you're going to be saving over $15. So right there in one haul, you're saving more than you're spending on the coupons. And then again, of course, you have multiples of these coupons. So it is always, always, always worth it for me to order my inserts. Not every region gets the Save insert. Not every region gets all the same coupons. So when you order it online, you can check on BQ for the previews to see exactly what coupon she has available. I do show a full tutorial for how to order on BQ on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there yet, definitely head over. It's Bree Coupon Queen 1. I share a lot more fun stuff on my stories every day, different Instagram reels for deals, more deals I post every day, Ibotta bonuses, all that kind of stuff. So definitely head over to my Instagram if you're not there yet. Okay, without further ado, let's hop into these deals. So we are getting a deal next week for spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. There's a lot of different products included. All you have to do is look for that symbol on the bottom when you're looking at the weekly ad. So a couple things you can do is grab 2 of the Hydro Boost masks, 2 of the Tide Pods. The smaller ones are included at $4.94 each. 2 Neutrogena makeup wipes that are $7.29 each. That'll bring you to $31.44. Then you are going to use a $2 Tide Pod digital. I forgot to put the AL, but it's a digital coupon we're all getting. Then in the description box, you can also print a $2 coupon for Tide Pod. So definitely check the description box. Then you can use a $3 Neutrogena Hydro Boost digital and a $3 printable if you printed it. We also previously had $4 Neutrogena makeup printable coupons, so you can use those. You'll pay $13.44, get back a $10 extra buck, makes it $3.44 for 6 products or 57 cents each. If you're putting together a beauty basket or something, throwing in the makeup wipes and one of those Boost masks is always going to be a good idea. And these do track towards CVS Beauty. The new beauty program, I did post on my Instagram what products you're able to grab this month if you hit beauty. You only get 1 beauty product per month. It is very disappointing what they're giving us, of course, but hey, anything is better than nothing. So if you want to see what products you can choose from, head over to my Instagram. I posted that for you guys yesterday. Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. Wanted to throw this in there. I don't really share that many like food deals at CVS, but sometimes there are some really good deals, and I still love a good Pop-Tart. I don't toast it or anything. That kind of freaks me out. I just like them cold, out of the package. I think they're fire. So what you can do is grab 4 boxes of Pop-Tarts. That'll definitely last you for a little while. They're only $1.99 each, which is a good deal. Then if you sign up for the Kellogg's Family Rewards, which is also in the description box, then you can print $2 off 2 coupons. The limit on those coupons is 4. So we're using 2 of them, so that's fine. Check to see if you have a 2 off 8 breakfast CRT or breakfast items. Then your final cost is only $3.96 for 4 of them, or 99 cents per box, which I definitely would say is a stock up price on Pop-Tarts. Okay, here's an easy freebie for everyone. What you can do is grab a Sure or Brute deodorant. When you buy one, you're gonna get a $2 extra buck. So grab one, you check to see if you have like $1 off any deodorant CRT. I haven't had one of those in a while, but if you don't have anything, you're gonna pay the $2 out of pocket or with extra bucks, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it completely free, which is incredible. Always love a good freebie. Even if you don't use this deodorant, I personally don't use this deodorant, you can always donate it. How amazing to be able to donate to a women's shelter, a homeless shelter, whatever the case may be, and you're able to give them some deodorant. So I think that's always great. Okay, Tresemme. So these are coupons, again, coming in our inserts on Sunday. Here is a $5 coupon. So right there, you're saving $5. You're a third of the way to making back your money for paying for the inserts. So Tresemme are 2 for $9. Use the 5 off 2 coupon. You'll pay $4. Get back a $2 extra buck, makes them $1 a piece. And this is an extremely beginner-friendly deal. Anyone who gets the coupons can do this deal. So that's why I like to put together these videos for you guys so you know ahead of time if there are some deals and if there are some coupons that you want to grab so you can order them in time. Make sure you can take advantage of this deal on Sunday or anytime next week. Okay, Dove is another good one. So Dove are on sale 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 coupon coming in our inserts again. You'll pay $5, get back a $2 extra buck, makes your final cost $3 for 2 bottles or $1.50 each. Hair care tracks towards CVS Beauty as well, which is awesome. So these are some super easy deals that anyone can do next week. Hallmark cards, I have 2 different versions for you guys. So what you could do, it says $2 and up. So grab 3 of the Hallmark cards. Then what you can do is grab 3 of the ribbons that are $1.29 each. Then use a 3 off 6 Hallmark CRT. Pay $7.48, get back a $3 extra buck, makes everything 74 cents a piece. Now, this is the second option. This current week, a lot of this deal is going on the current week as well. A lot of you mentioned that the dollar Hallmark cards are working and you're still getting back the extra buck. So what you could do is grab 3 of them, pay $3, get back a $3 extra buck, makes them completely free. So I'll let you guys know next week if this is still working. A lot of you said it's working the current week. So if you guys want to go try it out, you can grab 3 cards completely free. I personally did not do this deal this week, but a lot of you commented on my CVS haul video that it is good to go. Okay, Irish Spring. So they are buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 3. So this is showing you the deal, only doing it once. We are getting dollar coupons in our inserts on Sunday. They're typically a limit of 2. Hopefully we'll get a digital, we typically do, and hopefully we'll get a printable, we may. So I'll let you guys know, of course, and update everything on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So what you can do is grab 3 of them. That'll bring you to $11.97. Use $2 coupons and check to see if you have a 3 off 2 Irish Spring CRT. A lot of them floated around last time we got this deal. Or you could get like a 2 off 2 Irish Spring. So definitely double check. This could easily be a moneymaker, especially if you have multiple of those CRTs. You'll pay $6.97, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them 65 cents a piece for body wash. I think is a great deal. Now personally, we've never used the Irish Spring body wash in our house. My boyfriend now likes to use like the bar soap, so we've been using the Shea Moisture bar soap. But let me know in the comments if you guys like the Irish Spring, if that one is a good one. I personally think it smells amazing, so definitely check out this deal if you like this body wash. Okay, before we hop into the transaction examples, let's go over the 2 winners and how to enter in the giveaway. So let's do the giveaway first. The giveaway for this video, I'm going to give away 2 spots to the couponing workshop. So all you have to do is be a current subscriber. So double check now. If you are not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm going to be announcing both winners Sunday morning in my CVS haul video. So you want to make sure that you can get back to me Sunday so that I can enter you in the workshop and I can send you the Zoom link on Sunday because it starts on Monday. So then all you need to do is smash the like button on this video and drop a comment below. Let me know what your goal is for saving money on your household products for the month of November. Whether your goal is to save $50, $100, whatever the case may be, let me know what your goals are below in the description box. Again, the winners are chosen on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So now let's go over the 2 winners from my previous CVS video. Congratulations to both of you guys. All you have to do is shoot me an email, briecouponqueen@gmail.com, and let me know you are the winners of the giveaway, and I can send you guys the $10 digital gift cards. That way you guys can use them next week or whenever you want. Thank you to everyone who always participates in my giveaways and just interacts with my videos, my lives, comments, likes my stuff. I really appreciate you guys. That helps me grow so much. So you guys have no idea. I really appreciate that. Okay, now that we're done with the giveaways, let's hop into the transaction examples. Okay, so we can do in the first transaction a Sure deodorant because it's a free deal and the Tresemme hair for $9. These are extremely beginner-friendly deals. There are no CRTs or anything in these two examples. Total is $11. You have $5 in coupons. You'll pay $6 out of pocket. Now, what you can do is get a Flues gift card. When you get it downloaded, if you use my referral code BREECouponQueen21, you are going to be able to get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back, and CVS is a store to use a voucher. So what you're gonna do is open Flues. This is what you're gonna see. What you can do is buy one $10 gift card. You'll get back $3.95. So you're gonna use the digital gift card. They're gonna click gift card on their side. They're gonna scan the barcode and it's gonna cover your first transaction. On the bottom of your receipt, you'll get a $2 extra buck for the Sure and a $2 extra buck for the Tresemme. Now transaction number 2, you're gonna give them the Dove and the Hallmark cards. Total for the coupons is $3 for the Dove. You'd pay $8 out of pocket, but you got $4 in extra bucks from your first transaction. Give that to the cashier. Now you're only paying $4 out of pocket. But again, you're gonna use that same $10 gift card. So you will have a little bit of taxes left over that you'll have to cover. Then on the bottom of your receipt, you'll get back a $3 extra buck for the Hallmark and a $2 extra buck for the Dove hair care. So let's go over our final cost breakdown. You paid $10 for a Flues gift card. You got back $3.95 immediately on your Flues account the second you buy it. Now you can use it all in one day. You can use $1 of that gift card today. You can use $6 tomorrow, whatever the case may be. It is a digital gift card that stays on your Flues account. So your final cost is $6.05 for 8 products or 75 cents per product. You also have a $5 extra buck that you can use, or $5 in extra buck, that you can use for your next transaction, either the same day or the next week, the next day, whatever the case may be. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Don't forget to enter in the giveaway, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.